All right, some pretty big news in the Etsy world. Etsy just announced a new buyer membership program that offers free shipping. So what does this mean for sellers, and what should you do if you already offer free shipping? Let's dive in and talk about it. All right, so it looks like, to kind of break everything down, it looks like Etsy is trying to adopt the Amazon Prime model where you get a perk of free shipping, which if you shop on the platform a lot, it can be a big savings for you. So basically what this program is, for some of the perks that buyers will get, is free domestic shipping on all orders, a special birthday bonus, we don't know what that is yet, a limited edition tote bag, partnered with an Etsy seller for the design, so you can tote around your goodies, I guess. And then they're also working with sellers to bring exclusive deals and promotions on different products to people that participate in this new Etsy Insider membership program. But really what the conversation that is erupting is from sellers, and kind of what to do and how to handle this if you already offer free shipping. So I'm going to get into that, but I'm going to talk about the other kind of the flip side of it first. Is the other big question that people are having is like, am I gonna have to still pay for shipping? If I'm a seller and I sell something and someone buys something from me and they are an insider, will I still have to pay for shipping? And the answer is no. So if your shipping cost is $5 and someone buys a product for you and they're in the membership, Etsy will basically reimburse you for that $5 that you spent on the shipping label. They said that you'll be able to see it in your transaction. So the person buying the item is not going to get charged for shipping automatically. You will pay for shipping, but then they're going to reimburse you for shipping and waive the cost, is from my understanding. Now, things could change. They're doing this as a beta test so they can test drive everything out and make sure there's no bugs or hiccups or anything like that. So the fact that sellers get shipping waived could be a huge perk, and it could be a good thing. So it's a good thing for buyers, but it's also a really good thing for sellers. So just keep in mind, so say your shipping cost on average is $5 for your product. So you're paying $5 for a shipping label, regardless of whether you're doing free shipping or not. Your cost is $5 that you're paying for a shipping label. So say if you have 100 orders a week, and let's just say 10% of people that buy are in the new Insider program, which I don't know kind of where this is going to land, but we'll say 10%. I think it's a very conservative number. So 100 orders, so that would basically be 10 orders a week are people participating in the Insider program that get the free shipping. Well, what that also means is that's $50 in shipping that you don't have to buy, because they're an insider, they're getting it waived. You're basically getting it waived as well, because those are the people that are purchasing from you. So from my understanding, that's going to be all reimbursed. So basically you're saving $50 a week in shipping. Now, granted, this is just, this is based on 100 orders a week. I know some of you aren't getting that kind of volume, but hey, we have to dream big, right? So that is a pretty big cost saving. So I think that is a huge perk that a lot of people are missing or not understanding when it comes to this. Now, just for kind of to compare, apples to oranges, but Amazon Prime in 2023, 71% of people participated in Prime, and then the cost of that is, I think you can do it monthly, which is $14, or you can do it, you can do Prime yearly, which is $139. Now, I am not delusional. I don't think that Etsy membership program or Etsy Insider, we're going to have 71% of people participate. I don't even think we're going to have 50%. That's why I went with super conservative 10%. I think if they can get 10% of people to participate in it, I think that'll be a huge win, or more. But it all comes down to cost. I don't know what this thing is going to cost, and I don't think that they can charge more than Amazon charges, because that's what people are used to. I think they have to come in less, but again, a lot remains to be seen on how they're going to do this. I know they said they're going to offer yearly and seasonal, so I'm assuming it's going to be like yearly and like quarterly packages, or whatever the case may be. So we'll kind of see how this kind of plays out, and they're gonna, they're looking at Amazon and comparing it with them. So the other real question that you need to answer is, what do you do if you already offer free shipping, because you're not gonna get this perk. They're not gonna reimburse you if you're offering free shipping. So my suggestion, and this doesn't roll out to September, my suggestion to get in front of this would be to start charging for shipping so that you can benefit. And you can roll this out slowly. I know you may think, okay, if I start charging for shipping, my sales are gonna dip and dip hard. I don't think that's always true, because you can still offer a free shipping incentive to cover, to entice people that aren't in the insider program to buy more. So that's up to you if you want to do the $35, which Etsy recommends, and they'll give you an SEO boost. But if that doesn't work, do $50 or do $75 to entice free shipping. So offer some type of free shipping incentive, which you can set up in the coupons, the marketing coupons tab. I would also recommend, one thing that you can do that I do is you can charge shipping, but you don't have to charge the full cost. You can charge a discounted shipping cost. So if you do fixed pricing, you can charge a little bit less. Like, that's what I do. So my shipping cost is $2.99. My cost is usually like $4 to $6. So it's less. People do not mind paying for shipping as long as they're not getting gouged. Sure, people do like free shipping, but a lot of people, what they do anyways is they do, okay, so my item's $25, my shipping cost is $3. Instead, I'll do $28 for the item and do free shipping, which is $0. They work it into the price anyways. So I would just reverse that, take it back out, charge people for shipping, and then you could get the benefit of the Etsy insiders. But again, the strategy that I would recommend is maybe going a little bit less, doing fixed costs. I know calculated shipping is a lot easier, and especially if you're selling a wide array of things, it's a little bit more complex, but you can set up shipping profiles, different shipping profiles for different costs, for fixed shipping as well, to kind of cover it. So that's what I would recommend doing, and you can kind of play around with that pricing. Also, you can offer, if you do fixed costs, you can do free shipping incentives as well. For faster shipping times, you charge people more. You can do it in calculated, but calculated charges people what it costs. For fixed shipping, again, you can charge a little bit less. You can charge a little bit more as a perk to get things expedited, to ship stuff out with faster processing time. So you can set that all up in the shipping profile. So that's what I would recommend doing. Get ready for the shipping, get ready to capitalize on these different, the different shipping perks for people that are participating. Hopefully Etsy will, I'm assuming they're gonna push this hard, and hopefully they get a good amount of people to participate in this, because it's only gonna benefit the sellers with this free shipping and the free shipping reimbursement. But those are my 2 cents. That's my thought. Hopefully this helps you guys out as far as kind of figuring this stuff out, because I know a lot of people had a lot of questions on this stuff. So get ready now. You can use those strategies to hopefully help you guys out.